Project management is a systematic approach to planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing projects. It is a discipline that ensures projects are completed successfully within specific timelines, budgets, and quality standards. Project management involves coordinating resources, managing risks, and ensuring effective communication with stakeholders to achieve project goals and objectives. At its core, project management is about delivering results. It is a structured framework that enables organizations to effectively manage their projects from start to finish. Whether it's building a new software application, constructing a bridge, or organizing a marketing campaign, project management provides the necessary structure and tools to ensure successful project outcomes. Projects are unique endeavors with specific goals that are different from the routine operations of an organization. They are typically temporary, with a defined scope, budget, and timeline. Project management helps in handling the complexity and uncertainties that come with managing projects by breaking them down into manageable tasks and activities. A project manager is responsible for overseeing all aspects of the project, including planning, organizing, and controlling resources to achieve project objectives. The project manager serves as a leader and a facilitator, guiding the project team towards success. Project management involves several key processes, including initiation. This phase involves defining the project's objectives, scope, and stakeholders, as well as identifying potential risks and securing the necessary resources and approvals. Planning. In this phase, the project manager creates a detailed project plan, including a work breakdown structure, WBS, resource allocation, and scheduling of tasks. Risk assessment and mitigation strategies are also developed during this stage. Execution. During the execution phase, the project plan is put into action. The project manager coordinates the project team, assigns tasks, and ensures that work is being carried out according to the plan. Monitoring and control. This phase involves tracking the progress of the project, monitoring key performance indicators, and taking corrective actions to keep the project on track. Regular status updates and reporting keep stakeholders informed about the project's progress. 5. Closure. At the end of the project, the closure phase is conducted to assess the project's success, identify lessons learned, and transition deliverables to the appropriate stakeholders. Documenting the project's outcomes and conducting a post-project review are essential steps in this phase. Project management is applicable across various industries and sectors. It is not limited to large-scale projects, but is equally relevant to smaller initiatives and tasks within an organization. From construction and engineering to IT and marketing, project management principles can be applied to any project. By applying project management methodologies, organizations can benefit from improved efficiency, reduced costs, and increased customer satisfaction. Projects that are well managed are more likely to meet their objectives, deliver quality results, and satisfy stakeholder expectations. In summary, project management is a critical discipline that enables organizations to effectively plan, execute, and control their projects. It provides a structured approach to managing complexity, mitigating risks, and ensuring project success. By understanding the fundamentals of project management, professionals can become better equipped to manage projects of all sizes and complexities.